To get the most out of your WorldPay merchant account, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. First, you need to set up your account, which typically involves providing business and financial information to WorldPay. This step is crucial as it determines the fees you will pay and the services you will receive. Once your account is set up, you can start accepting payments from your customers. To do this effectively, you need to integrate WorldPay's payment gateway into your website or point-of-sale system. This can be done using application programming interfaces or by using pre-built plugins for popular e-commerce platforms. One of the most important tips for using a WorldPay merchant account is to minimize your fees. WorldPay charges a variety of fees, including transaction fees, monthly fees, and chargeback fees. To minimize these fees, you should choose the pricing plan that best fits your business model and try to reduce the number of chargebacks you receive. Another key concept is security. WorldPay provides a range of security tools to help protect you and your customers from fraud. These tools include tokenization, which replaces sensitive payment information with tokens, and 3D Secure, which provides an additional layer of authentication for online transactions. In addition to these tools, you should also follow best practices to prevent fraud. This includes verifying the identity of your customers, monitoring your transactions for suspicious activity, and keeping your software and systems up to date. Finally, you should provide excellent customer service to your customers. This includes responding promptly to their inquiries, resolving their issues quickly, and providing them with clear and transparent information about your payment processes. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of your WorldPay merchant account and provide a secure and convenient payment experience for your customers.